everyone. For this Father's Day, I'd like to share with you the t-shirt with handprints for this Father's Day DIY gift. Quick and easy. This is the t-shirt with the handprints. Father's Day DIY craft. This is the final product. I'll show you how we achieved this using just a t-shirt, bleach, and some cutouts, as you can see, of handprints, a love heart, and the other handprint. I hope this is clear enough for you, and you can use whatever color of t-shirt that you would like. Keep watching how we got this. For this t-shirt craft with the kids' hand palm cutout and a love heart, we're going to use a t-shirt, and you will see between the back of the t-shirt and the front we have put some polythene because we are also going to use bleach in a spray container, and we've already stuck the palm prints on the t-shirt with tape under, and the palm prints themselves, they have polythene on top or sellotape. If you have a stiff cutout that is bleach won't pass through, you can use, but for my case I taped sellotape over and then I cut out so that the bleach doesn't go through. And then we are going to just spray and as you do this, remember to do it outdoors, and you can use it on whatever t-shirt or something else you choose, and you can place the heart whichever way. If you have more than one kid, of course you don't want the whole area covered with palm prints, you can decide a different design. You know, if you have one child, of course it's one. If you want to do as a family, maybe the wife and the kids, you can do that. As you can see, it's already bleached, but we will not take these ones off just yet. We will wait for it to dry so that maybe we can get the maximum effect and so that it doesn't spread on the other areas. You need to remember that this is concentrated bleach, even though you add a little water. The best thing with this t-shirt is after it dries, this bit of it dries, wash it at least once like you would normally before, and also to remove that scent of the strong bleach, wash it, put some softener, maybe iron it out before you give it out to present it out as a present. As you saw from the process, it's very quick. All I did after that was wash it and iron it, and you can see the palm prints, the handprints clearly outlined, and the love heart there also. You can choose whatever other design that you wish for. And so this is our handprint, t-shirt handprint Father's Day DIY craft. And if you found value in this, please subscribe and press the notification button. After this, if you've not watched any other on this channel, we have 5 other crafts for Father's Day DIY craft ideas. Watch the video after this, and at the end of it, you will also see 3 extra DIY crafts for Father's Day that I did personally for my husband with my kids. God bless you. Keep watching, keep crafting. Barakatele.